you have lots of tabs opened, then your clutter nightmares might finally be over. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for all the tech news. After years of fans begging for more customization, Google Chrome is finally testing vertical tabs, the feature every other major browser has had for ages. And yes, it could be coming to your desktop soon. This feature was spotted in the latest Chrome Canary build, and it lets you ditch the clutter top bar and stack all your tabs neatly on the left side of your screen. Just right-click the horizontal tab bar and you'll see a new Show Tabs to the Side option. Suddenly, endless tiny icons crammed into the top of your browser could be a thing of the past. The vertical layout works just like Firefox, Edge, and Vivaldi. Tabs will now appear in a clean, scrollable list, making it easy to spot what you need. There's even a built-in tab search, tab groups, and a handy collapse or expand button, perfect for keeping dozens of tabs organized without losing your mind. Of course, Chrome's vertical tabs are still in the experimental Canary phase, which means it's got some rough edges. Some features aren't polished yet, and Google could tweak, delay, or even scrap the feature before it reaches the public. But the fact it's being tested at all is huge news for anyone who's ever cursed a jam-packed top bar. For now, vertical tabs are optional, but if they fully roll out, they could transform the way we browse, with less clutter, more organization, and finally, the browser experience many power users have been dreaming for years. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider.